Hey guys, it's Joyce here, and in this video I'm going to give you a brief description together with illustrations on email marketing. So let's get started. Email marketing. It is simply a way of marketing or promoting your product to an email database, also known as an email list. An email list is a list that contains people who are interested in the products or service that you are promoting. So how do they enter your list? Okay, they enter your list through social media platforms and bloggings, and most of the time it's through ads, which is paid traffic. How to build an email list? Okay, here you see the traffic. These traffic, they come from social media platform such as Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and there's Instagram, etc. And from blogs. And as I said, most of the time is from the ads which you use on social media platforms. Okay, you drive the traffic in your landing page. Okay, so when someone gets intrigued or is interested in your contents, which most of the time is through ads, they will click on your affiliate link to either get something in return or to learn more from you or what you can provide. Now, once the content or ad that contains your affiliate link is clicked, they will land on your landing page, also known as an opt-in page or capture page. Now it's up to you to make sure they give you their contact information such as names and email address. So most of the time, in order to get their information, you would need to give them something for free, such as a free training video or ebook. And once they give you their email addresses, they automatically go in your email database or email list. Okay, so once they give you their email addresses, it's now time to begin the follow-up. Okay, importance of email marketing. Email marketing is extremely important because on average, it usually takes 7 to 12 conversations or touch-ups before someone decide to purchase your product or not. Email marketing, guys, it's one of your greatest assets because in addition of every $1 spent on advertising, email marketing averages an amount of $40 in return of investment. So it's of utmost importance that you learn how to follow up with your leads via emails in order to leverage your marketing efforts. So, because 80% of or more of your sales will likely come from email if you do it right. So here I'll give an illustration. So people opted in your landing page, they gave you their email addresses and you build up your list. From there, it's up to you now to grow them, to nourish them. And when you have a sale, you want to promote, when you have a product you want to promote, you simply send them your emails. Now, you may have different niches, for example, fitness, for example, make money online, financial, okay? So you categorize your email list and you send them related mails. So you know that in your email list, there will be potential buyers. So when you send them these emails that will lead them to other bridge pages and sales pages, you know you will be making profit. And as I said, it's likely to be 80% or more. So how to get started? First of all, you need to create a professional email address to send emails to your leads. So if you're using Gmail or Yahoo, your email will go directly to the spam folder. So you must have a professional email address set up so that your emails are delivered. If your emails are not delivered, guys, what's the point of sending them mails? So in order to get your mails delivered, a professional email address is important to be set up. So in the next video, I'll give you a walkthrough on how you can set up your professional email address, and we'll use G Suite. It's from Google. It's a paid platform of Google where we will get to set up our professional email address, and it's less than $6 per month. It's easy and fast. And there will be more important tools that you will need. For example, ClickFunnels account. It will allow you to create your landing pages and bridge pages, and email autoresponder such as GetResponse. Why GetResponse, guys? Because GetResponse has the ability to automate your emails unlike any other email autoresponders. So you don't have to worry too much about how to use these two tools, because I'll provide tutorial videos on how to set up and use them. So guys, I hope you liked this video and got value from it. If you did, please do smash that thumbs up button and do subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss the other videos that are going to come. And thanks a lot. See you on the next video. Bye bye.